Hello friends, very good morning. This is Bala, SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And the last video which we have made, that is a Bank Nifty, the long triangle plus uh, short straddle that gives you profit. That video having some good information because a lot of people are watching that video, and thank you for watching that video. And this video we are going to use the Camarilla levels to trade in our intraday opportunity. So let's we find out some stocks to trade today using Camarilla pivot point. So the Bank Nifty today it started below that levels, so below the S4 it is started to trading. So it is a sell breakout level, it is trading below the sell breakout level, so it's a risky trade to avoid today. And whenever it reaches to our levels, so then we can plan according to that level. And Nifty also opening gap down and it is trading below S4 level. So as per our strategy, so that is what we are focusing higher level stocks, that is higher value Camarilla stocks for a intraday buy opportunity. So we find out some 10 stocks, so I leave it idea because of the less volume and the value of the stock is just 10 rupees, so we leave it. So we as our intraday trade, so somewhere around 9 stocks we have taken, and let's check it out. The first one is Divi's Laboratory. So it started in between the level of S3 and R3, so having the good chances whether it if it goes breakout above 4841 in a spot market with the level of R4 breakout, we can try to take the position, and with a stop loss of 4800 as was a stop loss. So here it is a higher relationship between previous day, so it is having good chances to take on a breakout kind of trade in this particular thing. And second one is Bharati Airtel. So it is also started in between R3 and S3. So now the lower value is around S3, it's 536.35. So when the market is reaching that level, so we will try to take a buy opportunity, or we can wait for a R4 breakout. So that because we are focusing to the buying kind of opportunities in this stock. And Balakrishna Industries. So now it is opening itself, it reaches our level and it is trading in between the S3 and the S4. So when the stock is returned back above S3, so from here to if it is crosses above that S3, so we can go for a buy opportunity with a stop loss of S4. But until if it is breaks down below the R4 S4, so we don't want to take any sell opportunity, because this stock we are going to focus for a buying kind of opportunity. So when the buying opportunity is happen, so we can try to do it. And the Reliance, the second one, Reliance. Now Reliance also having a good showing good. So whenever it breaks above R4, that is 2127, so we may be good to take a long position with a stop loss of 2119. So that is what the R3 level. And another one, IRCTC, so that is trading in between the levels. So we can expect a R4 level breakout or S3 by reversal. So these two kind of trade which is we can focus for that, it was trading in between which kind of opportunity present, so we can go for a long opportunity with the stop loss respectively. By if broken above R4, we can keep the R3 as stop loss. When it is broken with tested this support of S3, so we can make a stop loss of S4. And another one, Hara Pharma, which is trading below the same level of S3. So when it breaks above this level, so we will try to take an opportunity because it is opening in between S3 and S4. So taken the support from S4 level, and if it is moves above, so we can try to take from S3 around 969 with a stop loss of 962. And NMDC, another one. So again, it was trading in between the S3 and R3. So when it touches back to the S3, so we maybe try to take a long with a stop loss of S4, and we'll wait for the target around R3. National Aluminium. So now this is started at S3, that has taken a support and is keep on going up. So it's nearing to the breakout level, so 90.95 with a stop loss of 89.60, the almost 1 rupee 30 paisa is the risk. So we will take a 1:2 risk reward ratio whenever it crosses above that R4 level. So that is another opportunity and present. And Glenmark, that is trading in between the range, the same concept which we can focus for a buy around this level S3 and breakout R4. So these two we are focusing in this stock. And the only stock which is forming a lower value relationship between, so what are the stocks which we have seen on the previous, that is what a higher value relationship, the only stock which forms a lower value relationship between previous day. And what kind of trade opportunity we can focus in this thing? So reversal at R3, so it is nearing to the R3 whenever it reaches that R3 level, that is around 311.8. so we maybe try to take a sell position, the stop loss of R4, that is 314.40. So there will be two kind of opportunity. So here the first one is going on, and if it reaches, we can try to sell it out, and another opportunity we can wait for a breakdown level, so that is S3. I hope this may be a useful video to you all, and thanks for watching, and trade with a stop loss, and keep subscribing my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and this may be useful to anyone. Thank you.